Good afternoon, grade 5. Okay, so we are now on our second lesson in music. Okay, so I hope you have your books with you. Okay, so open your book to mm, page 10. Okay, open your book to page 10. Okay. So, meters and rhythmic patterns. I I think you had this before sa grade 4, yung meters. Okay, I hope you still remember it. Para review na lang tayo. Yeah? So, so what do you mean by meters? What do you mean by rhythmic patterns? Okay, so ito. Okay, so si meter, it's all about pulse and how pulses are grouped together in sets. So si meter, basically, ang yung keyword is group. So, gigrupo niya ang kada notes. By set niya siya. Okay? The repetitive arrangement of strong and weak beats in every measure of the meter. Okay? So, repetitive meaning constant, steady ang iyahang tono, pero naay strong beat followed by weak beats. Naay strong and naay weak. Okay? So, ang strong is na-emphasize with siya. Okay, so shall we continue? So, you have learned that time signature is written at the beginning. Diba? Nasa sa beginning of the measure. So, kani siya. I hope you still remember. Okay? Now, this is written at the beginning of the measure and it indicates the grouping of notes. Okay? Siya mag-indicate sa grouping of notes. So, itong number sa taas, this is the number of beats per measure. Okay? Kada measure is divided by, it's grouped by a bar line. Okay? Which later on, we'll get to know about bar line. Okay? So this number indicates the number of equal beats in a measure. Equal beats kay constant man siya, steady, repetitive, balik-balik siya. Okay, balik-balik. Pa siyang pattern. Okay? And this number below, ito, is the number that indicates the kind of note that gets one beat. So you have your example in your book on page 11. Okay? On page 11. Now, we have three kinds of meters. Three kinds of meters. So we have the first one, meter in doppel. Okay? Meter in two or doppel meter. Okay? So two, doppel meter na siya. Okay? Doppel meter. So meter in two is a meter that has a constant pattern of an accented beat followed by an unaccented beat. So nasa 2 beat kada measure. This is one measure between two bar lines. Okay? Isa naka-measure, isa ka-measure. Okay? Okay. So you see this sign at the top of the first note is called accent. Okay? Ano siya nitawag accent? If you have this symbol above the note, meaning that is a strong beat. Nakuha? And the second one, kung siya ang strong, so ang sunod is weak. Do you follow? So hinay siya. Kaning una is kusog and followed by the weak one, hinay. Okay, wala man siya accent. Okay? So how do we know that it is a meter in two? So, example song here is Sit Sirit Sit. Okay? So, let's sing Sit Sirit Sit and do the clap to follow the beat. Okay? So, sit sirit sit alibang bang sa laginto sa lagubang. Oh. So you see, strong ang first, then weak ang second. Okay? And timing siya sa song. Ano siya nga mo na yahang beat. Meter in two. So sit sirit sit is an example of a double meter. Kuha? Okay. So let's go to the next meter, which is the meter in three. Okay? So meaning, 3 ang iyahang meter in a measure. Okay? So this meter has a constant pattern of isa ka accented beat, the first one, kato na accent sa taas. This is the accent. And followed by 2 accented beat. So meaning weak siya. Weak ni ang duha nga nagsunod. Okay? So how do we do this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So next. We have so okay. So okay. So to continue, so kanina nandito tayo sa meter in 3. 1, 2, 3, di ba? So we are now on the third meter, which is the meter in 4 or quadruple meter. So quadruple meter is a constant pattern of an accented beat followed by 3 weak beats. So if you try to see, di ba na siya 4, upat ka notes, okay? Upat siya ka notes because one of that note represents one beat, okay? Isa na siya ka beat. Okay? Remember the value? Muna siya. So, okay, this is a quarter note. Right? Quarter note na siya. So, maano siya nga, one beat siya. All in all, in a measure na ay 4 beats. Tani siya bar line. Wait lang. So, bar line. So, gigroup niya. Grupo-grupo. And the first note has an accent at the top. So, meaning accented siya. So, strong siya nga note. Followed by mga weak nga notes. How do we do this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Example here is Lupang Hinirang. How do we do it? Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Kuha? Okay. So, next is, we have a rhythmic pattern. So, si rhythmic pattern is the combination of notes and rest in a given meter. So, na-combine na si notes of si rest. Remember, si notes is sounded and si rest is not sounded. Okay? Not sounded. So, if you are going to mix them together, okay? You're going to mix them together. Okay. So, where are we? We are in rhythmic pattern. So, sa rhythmic pattern, again, is a combination of notes and rest in a given meter. Okay? So, nagsago si note o si rest. So, kung magsago lang sounded o not sounded, so nice ka siya paminawon. It's not all the time na sounded siya. Na ay rest. Okay? Na ay mga pause. Okay? Ay mga pauses. So, the combination of long and short duration of sounds and silences or with different time values. So, pwede siyang lain-lain. Depende sa pagka-group. So, you see, ang mga bar lines, ito mga bar lines, sila ang group sa mga notes. Okay? Kung pila na ang beat sa kada group, mao na siya ang yahang beat. Okay? Kung na yahang pattern, pwede nga lain-lain siya. That's what makes the music unique. Okay? And you know, this list of notes and itong composition na ito, only musicians can understand this. Tayo, kailangan natin aralin ito ng mabuti. Di ba? Okay. So, rhythmic pattern form measures. And measures are divided by bar lines. So, let's find out ano yung bar line. Okay. So, muna si bar line. Okay, kana siya nga line. Ang vertical line, that divide group of notes and rest into measures. Okay? So, kada bar line, kada duha ka bar line nga kay ana, kada ana sa bar line, measure na ana in between. Okay? I hope you follow. Okay. Follow. Okay. And we also have the double bar line. So, double bar line are two vertical lines that indicates the end of the music. Okay? Duha siya ka bar line nga nag-indicate na humana ang kanta. Usually, you see this at the end. Okay? Na siya sa last. Okay? So, double. Meaning, humana. Okay? So, Any question? Okay, I hope you have understood. And if wala nakasabot, review lang yung yung video. Okay? Okay. So, I'm going to ask you to answer ito. Answer this. Activity Shine Together sa page 18. Knowledge activities 1 and 2. Sa knowledge, letter A. And continue with your okay. Continue with activity letter B, activity 1. Okay, activity 1. So, grupo ninyo ni siya, you are going to count the beats. Okay, sa mga notes. Kung pila na siya ang beats sa natanan, number of beats, inyo din na siyang i-draw din sa box. Okay, i-draw niyo siya. Inyo na siyang i-by group. So, na meter in 2, meter in 3, and meter in 4. I-by group ninyo na sa tanan. Okay? So, I hope that you get to enjoy mo. Okay, by the way, sa activity 2, what are you going to do? So, you are going to use a bar line. Okay? Mag-use mo bar line para i-divide ninyo siya, i-group ninyo siya according sa what is asked. So, if it's a meter in 2, so mag-count mo og beats sa kada notes. Kung mo reach na siya og 2, so you draw a bar line para mag-grupo siya. Okay? So, I hope you enjoy and I hope you have learned something. And if you have questions, just ask dun sa ating GC. Okay? So, thank you grade 5 and have fun. Okay? Bye!